raining outside, so I thought we're gonna make us 2 smoothies to pick us up and hopefully we have a bit more energy afterwards. So I had some frozen mangoes still in the freezer here, and I thought, oh well, we might use them up. And what better than a smoothie? Alright, so chop that in. Probably whatever you have, but probably half a cup of mangoes, and preferably frozen, otherwise you have to add ice. And some bananas. I roughly slice them, put them in too. Alright, and we have probably half a cup of Greek style yogurt here. Put that in. Alright. And then a little bit of lemon, just a little bit. Alright, that will do. And then last but not least, some milk, probably half a cup as well, so in it goes. Oops. Here we go. Alright. What's that? Make a bit of room. Get that on. It's pretty full. Looks good to me. Alright. Put that in. So here we go. 2 mango banana smoothies. Have a try. How is it?
It smells good. Very nice.
Huh?
Very good.
Well, we drink that now and see us later.